Hi guys, this is Miss Chocolate. I'm today doing my by myself because this ice cream is really busy. And I'm back with the new home experiment, which is bouncy egg ball. Basically, this experiment used the redox reaction and the osmotic pressure, which I later explained deeply. The equipment of this experiment will be vinegar and sealed container with lid and fresh raw egg. Because this is homemade experiments and it's really easy to get in a home and there's no hazardous equipment, I didn't use my gloves. You can do with your bare hands. So let's start the experiment. So first we open the lid and put a lot of vinegar in here. It doesn't have to be measured, but it has to be enough to cover all of the egg when I put the egg inside. Whoa. Like this. Smells so vinegar. I think this is enough. Yeah. And I put this raw egg inside carefully. Woo! Please. Yes, like this. Okay, so the egg is already covered with the vinegar, and I can see little of the vapors in here. And last thing, we just we just put the lid on and stay in these stages for 5 days. So we just wait 5 days in these stages, then we'll see what's happened next. If you believe or not, this is the egg and it's making the vapor by reacting with the vinegar. So this egg is swelled for 6 days in the vinegar. So now let's compare the size with the raw normal egg with the swollen egg. So for the spoon, I use this to press the egg to fully dampen in the vinegar. You see like this, and this brown thing you can see here is the dissolved shell of the egg. And in the center we can see the bubbles, which is carbon dioxide. It is still there. So this egg is swelled and it's a little bit became transparent, so we can see the yellow yolk inside, and it feels like a little bit rubbery. Yeah. Oh. This feels like rice cake, softly rice cake or marshmallow, and it's a little bit feel like a slime. You can see a little bit the bounciness of this ball, of this egg. Oh, I totally got it. Ew. It seems it can be splashed and break down, but it's quite strong. Whoa. Oh! The yolk inside is splashed, I think. It's break down. Woohoo! Ow! Ooh. Oosh! seems kind of weak, but it's strong enough. So the way that this experiment works is this. The eggshell is made of calcium carbonate and the vinegar is weak acetic acid. As the acid dissolved in the calcium carbonate, the vinegar dissolved the eggshell and remained only the membrane of the egg. And when the calcium carbonate reacts with acetic acid, it produces CO2. The bubbles that we observed in the first day was CO2 gases. We can observe the large size of our egg bouncy ball better than this one. This is because of the osmosis, the water particle transport from high concentration solution to low concentration solution and make about the same concentration overall. Since there's more water in the vinegar than in this egg, the water molecules from the vinegar transport to the inside of the egg and to the semi-permeable membrane of the egg. So the size of egg is slightly increased. We can do the further experiment about comparing the eggs which were in different concentration of vinegars or test the strength of bouncy ball and falling it at some height. So first I will check the bounciness, the strength of our bouncy egg. So this is about 10 centimeters from the floor. So I will drop it in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, safe. So this is 20 centimeters from the floor. This height, I will drop it. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is still alive. So this is about 30 centimeters from the floor in here. So let me drop and check our strength. 1, 2, 3, shoot! Wow, it's still alive. So this is 50 centimeters. I added 20 centimeters from the previous 30 centimeters. So let's drop and check the strength. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ooh. Oh my god! So this is full in a 50 centimeter and it break down, it's flushed. So we know that between a 30 centimeter and 50 centimeter our bouncy egg ball can alive. Yeah, that's the maximum height that the bouncy ball can endure. Bye. See ya. So ta-da! This was the bouncy egg experiment. Ding.